Good evening, Ms. Chaitanya.
Good evening.
First of all, congratulations on passing the PMP examination yesterday with above target in all three domains.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's a great achievement. Great. So, and thank you very much for agreeing to give a debrief on your, journey, so that like other exam takers can benefit from that. As I mentioned, everybody's journey is unique. So, can you give a brief overview on your preparation? So, where you started and which materials you used for the preparation? Which material you think was very close to or helped you to achieve the above target in all three areas, please?
Yeah, sure. Actually, I took the class in the month of April,
Hmm.
from April to May. Then I was planning to write the exam in the starting of July, but I didn't get that confidence to start by then. So I thought I'll complete at least 50% of the portion, and when I get confidence, I'll put a date.
Mhm.
I started with your that Rita's plan which you had sent. That same
Mhm.
plan I was following. Initially, in the month of May, actually, I was watching all these videos once again, and I was taking down notes from that. For me,
Mhm.
personally, I was taking down notes.
You mean the
Uh,
class
yeah,
videos?
class videos only.
Okay.
So after that, I started my preparation in the month of June only.
Mhm.
Uh, I was going through that notes only. After that, after finishing each section, I was taking that session wise quiz in our LMS.
Okay, you practice the session-wise quizzes in LMS. Okay.
LMS. I was finding that quizzes were actually basic things only. Like
Mhm.
it was simple. I felt it was simple.
Yeah,
Then
the purpose of those quizzes is to ensure that you understood that
Yes, yes,
chapter very well.
yes.
Yes, that's right.
So then that Rita's that particular chapter also I started with Agile
Mhm.
uh, because I was thinking towards the end it is a major portion, and towards the end if I don't get time, if I rush in, then it will be a problem. So I thought I'll start with Agile.
Mhm.
So Agile, actually, though it was written 3 days in your plan, I took more than 4 5 days for Agile. I watched
Okay.
the videos which you had sent, and the Agile practice guide also I referred. Then that 180 questions also I finished, and after that only I started with people session. I started.
Mhm.
And then people session also, it also took me some 3 to 4 days. Then
Mhm.
I understood that I'm lagging behind. Then I was rushing with that business environment session. For each session, what I was doing is I was referring our notes, our videos, and then I was referring this Rita's uh, that session wise detail I was referring, and then that quiz which is there in Rita's, and then our LMS. Like that I
Mhm.
was doing. Then by I think by June end, I was yeah, by June end only I took the date for the exam.
Mm. Okay.
Then only I started with the process session.
Mhm.
So the process session I was rushing like anything. For even these 2 days and all, I didn't take actually. I was trying to complete in one day by dedicating more time.
Mhm.
Uh, I had to take half day leave from my office, and then the other half I was completely dedicating for this. Uh,
Mhm.
then yeah, then other than that, yeah, I was going like that only till last week. Then last week only, last Monday, I took the exam on Saturday.
Mhm.
Uh, the Monday before,
Yesterday, right? Exam.
yeah,
You
yes,
took the exam yesterday. Okay.
yesterday. So Monday only I started with the mock test. So first
Mhm.
mock test when I started, I understood that I am nowhere, because I told you also my score was around 56%, like that only it was
Mhm.
coming.
Mhm.
So I was worried whether I should postpone the date, or but then you sent me my that predcast one 120
120
questions you
questions. Yeah.
sent. Yeah. And 169 question session also you had sent. That
Yeah.
69 question, when I did, I understood that I'm not going to pass the exam because my
Oh.
percentage was like 57, like that. Then I
Mhm.
reviewed that, and that was the thing which helped me a lot.
Okay.
With that review, the 120 questions I attempted, and then I got 84% or something. Yeah, 90% I got in that
Okay.
120, because
120.
almost 50% of the questions were the same, which was there in that 69 question session.
Mhm.
So that gave me some confidence. Then I attempted that PMI study hall. PMI
Mhm,
study hall, actually, I didn't get free entry. I took like $15, some discount rate was there. With that, I took PMI study hall. And PMI study hall, there are some section short quizzes are there, like
mhm,
15 question like that. In that
mhm,
15 question, when we attempt, we'll not get that much confidence, because if 7 questions go wrong, our percentage will go down.
mhm.
It's like that.
Okay.
So I took 6 sessions of 15 questions. Then after that, I thought I'll attempt the mock test. And by then,
Okay.
almost 2 more days are left for the exam. That was the situation.
Mhm,
But that mock test, when I attempted the 2 mock tests, I took one day for each mock test and review.
mhm,
One day for one mock test and review. So first mock test I got around 71%, and the
mhm.
second one 69%.
In the
So
study hall.
yeah, in the study hall.
Okay.
What I found is study hall questions are actually a little more difficult than the exam.
Okay. They are more difficult than the actual
Actual
examination.
exam. But
Okay.
prepcast question, it is almost similar to the actual exam only. Difficulty
Mhm.
level. But I didn't
Okay.
get any exactly same question. I didn't get. But I mainly I had attempted our LMS mocks and
Mhm,
prepcast and this
mhm.
EMI study hall. So with
Okay.
this, I understood what is the approach for
Mhm.
each question. What how we should approach, like what they are expecting from us.
Okay.
So the main thing which will help is that mock test and the review. Mainly that review.
Okay.
The review
Right.
I took the exactly same time what I took for the exam. That much time I took
Okay.
for review also.
So that's a good point you are mentioning. So as I mentioned, the mock tests are not only to check your score, also to understand where you are going wrong and why you are wrong, so that in the real examination you can make it correct. So reading the justification for those answers are really important, especially the prepcast questions and our mock exam in the LMS. Okay,
So
right.
that is the thing. So in the exam, what I was feeling is the questions I found, first section of 60 questions, I found it a little bit difficult, because
Okay.
actually I had another issue with the exam also. I took
Hmm.
the proctor test. So I was
Home-based examination.
yeah, home
Okay.
based. So I was planning to take the exam from my office using my personal laptop, but
Hmm.
some issue came in. Test run, everything was okay the day before, but
Hmm.
on that particular day, some issue came in. Then I had to use office system. So it took me some time. So I
Hmm.
started the exam. First session I started around 15 minutes late.
Oh, okay.
So I had to rush, and the questions were also little bit difficult, like the PMI study hall questions. That level of difficulty was there in the first
Hmm.
session.
Okay.
Then
Okay. Let me
first,
ask you one question here. So you
yeah,
told you started examination 15 minutes late. Does that
yeah.
affected the duration of the exam? They reduced 15 minutes in the duration? No,
Actually,
right?
no.
No. Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
In the exam duration issue was not there, but I
Okay.
was tensed. That is it, because
Okay.
I
Right.
started late. I was tensed.
Okay.
So first 10 questions, 10 to 15 questions, I don't remember what I was just putting bubble. I was selecting some answer. Like I
Randomly
was,
without
yeah,
knowing
randomly
the
without no,
right.
yeah, correct. So after that, so all those questions I was putting for review, but
Hmm.
actually I didn't get any time for review.
Oh,
I was
okay.
once again I was those 15 questions again I was checking it, but I couldn't review it properly.
Hmm.
So after the first session, I lost my confidence. I was thinking, okay, next time I'll attempt, like that. I was thinking. Second
Hmm.
two halves I'll somehow complete. That was my attitude. But the
Okay.
second half, it was relatively easier.
Hmm.
In the second half, mostly people-related questions I got, stakeholder communication related, and in
Hmm.
all the sections I got this multiple choice question, like multiple um,
Correct.
options.
And
Yeah, correct answer.
multiple options. Okay.
That I got around 4 to 5 questions. I got
You mean more than one correct answer questions?
one choice. Yeah, more than
Okay.
one correct choice.
Okay.
So, and then hotspot question also, I got around 3 to 4 questions.
Meaning clicking on the graph.
Yeah. Those
Okay.
questions were relatively easy, but
Hmm.
drag and drop questions in each session, one question each was there.
Hmm.
That was when I took the prepcast and all, the questions were easier. That's drag and drop questions. But this
Mhm,
one was not that easy. It was
mhm.
a little bit twisted. Like we'll
Okay.
get confused with two choices, like that.
Mhm.
It was there.
Okay. Right. Right.
Then, yeah, but relatively the second 60 questions were easier.
Mhm. Okay. What about
And
third 60?
third section, it was intermediate level.
Intermediate
Was
level.
towards the end, because of the time also, I was not able to review properly. Second session I
Okay.
could review also. I
Mhm.
had marked only few questions, so I got time to review.
Okay.
uh, 5 minutes or something I took for review.
Okay. Is there any like, kind of differentiation? First session, like for example, process based, more process based question. Second session, more people based question. Third, business environment. Is there any way, or it's all mixed?
No, it is all mixed only.
Mhm.
And Yeah, it is all mixed. And what I felt is I got more of people based questions in the second session. First and
Yes.
third, it was a proper mix.
Proper mix. Okay. So have you got more agile question, or it's like equal number of agile questions and predictive
Agile
question?
and hybrid.
Agile and hybrid or
Yeah,
more?
yeah.
Okay.
More it was hybrid only.
Mm-hmm. More hybrid. That is process based, or it's like any process people, everything, but in hybrid based.
Everything mixed. Like sometimes it will be stakeholder and risk together,
Mm-hmm.
hybrid, like that.
Hybrid. Okay. And which area you got more questions in the examination, like risk management or stakeholder management or scope management? Which area you got more questions in
I
the exam?
got more in stakeholder management, I think. Stakeholder communication.
Stakeholder
Risk
communication.
also was there. Yeah, risk also was there. Equally, these three were equally there. Risk,
Okay.
stakeholder management, and change management also was there.
Change management also. Right.
Like
Great.
most of the questions, the answer was what put a change review, like change request. That
Okay.
kind of
Start
answer.
initiate a change request like
Initiate a
that.
change request. That was
Okay.
there.
How you manage the time? Like, have you, were you able to finish the examination within the prescribed time, or how you
I
manage the
could
time?
finish the exam, but in the first and last section, like I told, for review, I didn't get much time.
Mm-hmm.
What I did was I was checking for that 155, like Miss Mumtaz was telling in her lessons learned, that 155 number I was keeping in mind. So
Mm-hmm.
when I reached around 165 in the first half, I reached almost 60 questions. Then
Okay.
remaining 10 minutes were there, but I had put almost 30 questions for review, so I
Mm-hmm.
couldn't review it properly. I was
Okay.
rushing in that review part.
Okay.
Second session, I finished it in 75, exactly 75 minutes.
Very good. Right. Now, see, 5 days before the examination, you were not that confident, saying,
Yeah,
okay, even when we discussed,
yeah,
you mentioned like maybe I will reschedule my examination and so on. Then I told no, you try with the mock and so on. And see the outcome. Outcome is actually you are having above target in all three areas. And
yeah.
your score is also close to in the upper band, actually, in the above target. So what you think made you to get that kind of score? Exam questions, most of the questions you answered correctly. That's the meaning. So when you got above target and none. So what is your interpretation? What helped you? Which area of your preparation helped you to get above target in all three
Is
areas?
that mock test? Mock test is the one which has helped the most. Mock test
Okay.
and the review of the mock test.
Mock test and the review of the mock
Yeah,
test.
yeah.
So basically,
Actually, our class and LMS has given a base.
mhm,
A base was there, but the problem was I didn't know what is the approach. Like suppose in one particular question, I'll think that they are focusing on stakeholder management, but it
mhm,
must be some communication management. Like that, slight differences will be there. That I
mhm.
was able to make out by attending this mock test only.
Okay,
Mock test
right.
and the
So
review.
so that's what made the change. Like now the five, how many, like three mock test in LMS and one agile mock test you did, and two from study hall
Yeah, and that
and
prep cast.
Prepcast. So almost like 6, 7 mock test you did. So because of that, you got that approach, like how to answer
Yeah,
a question and
that
how to.
first mock test actually I reviewed once again on Friday. Once again, I simply reviewed it. The
Uh-huh.
answers I was simply checking once again.
Okay, that helped you to get that,
Yeah.
uh, good score. I mean, above target score in
And
all three
actually, in
areas.
PMI study hall, what I found was review is a little bit confusing. Like
Mm,
some questions, some particular idea we'll get from the review, but in another question they'll be like it will be some other thing, like some
Mm.
little bit of confusion is there. But
Okay.
Prepcast, it is very reliable review actually.
Okay.
We
So
get a very good
Prepcast.
idea. Yeah.
Okay.
But
Okay. Right.
PMI study hall, when we attempt, we'll get a confidence that okay, with this difficulty level also we'll be able to manage somehow. That
Oh, okay.
confidence we'll get.
Okay.
We'll
So the
find it a
difficult.
little bit difficult.
Okay. Difficulty
Study.
level of the examination is almost like Prepcast. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
almost like study hall. Study hall
No,
questions.
like Prepcast only.
Like
Study hall,
Prepcast.
it is little difficult. When we
Okay.
take that mock test also, we'll feel that, and when we take the actual exam also, we'll feel it was it like actual is relatively easier than the study hall questions.
Very good. Right. So what is your final advice for the future exam takers? So if they want to pass in the first attempt with good scores like you, so what is your recommendation,
I would
advice?
tell finish with your first of all. I would tell to take a date for the exam. Then
Mhm,
only that serious preparation will come, and then we should focus more on. We should try to finish our basic thing within a for like 1 month. If you are taking 1 month, we should finish that, and we should spend at least 10 days for mock test.
mhm. So,
Maximum mock test if you take and review it, then that will give you boost up your confidence.
okay. So watching the class videos and understanding the concept, preparing the material, we
Yeah.
have to finish that. So you'll get a base, the idea, the knowledge will be there, and then spend more time on practicing mock exam
Mock test, that
questions.
too, that full length mock test, if you can try that, that would be the best thing. Because short mock test, when we take, the problem is
Mhm,
if 50% of the questions going wrong, that probability will be more
mhm, mhm. So when
when
you
we
take
take a short.
180 questions
Yeah,
mock
yeah, 180
examination,
question, we have to spend one full day for that, taking the mock test and reviewing it.
reviewing.
So
So as you
like that.
mentioned, more important is reviewing the answers and
Yeah,
understanding why that answer is correct.
yeah.
That is what
We
helped
can
you in the
take
real
down some points
examination.
from that reviewing. If we can actually, I was writing down the points which I got from review, and last day I was just going through that.
Mhm.
uh, like, yeah, that would help. Even if we are taking 4 to 5 mocks also, that is fine, but the review we should spend the same, exactly same time which we are spending for the mock exam.
Okay, great, great. Thank you very much. And once again, congratulations on your achievement. And I'm sure
Thank
like
you.
this
Thank you so
debrief
much.
will help the future exam takers,
Yeah.
and all the best for your
And
future
thank you.
endeavor.
I wanted to thank you also for your tremendous support and guidance. Actually, I was completely out of confidence on Monday when I messaged you. Then you
Mhm.
only gave me that confidence, like this score is good, you can go ahead. Otherwise, I would have dropped this idea. That was my
No
level.
problem. You
That
are
was,
always welcome. It's good, like you send me a message. So you were asking me like that whether you can, whether you are, it is good to change the date. So then like yes, we had like almost a week's time, and
yeah.
I give you the idea like what mock test to follow. And as I told you, it's your dedication. That 1 week, as you mentioned, you came early from office and you spent time in taking the mock, reviewing the mock. You purchased study hall. So I guided you, yes, but it's your dedication, and that brought the great success.
Actually,
Once
this
again,
last 1 week, I was spending almost the entire day for preparation.
preparation.
Yeah.
Great, great, very good. Great. All the best for your future.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.